In the 21st century, robotics has become a cornerstone of military innovation, fundamentally altering the capabilities and strategies of armed forces worldwide. In India, the integration of advanced robotic systems into military engineering is not only enhancing operational efficiency, but also safeguarding human lives. One of the most significant applications of robotics in the Indian military is in combat scenarios. Unmanned ground vehicles, such as the Defense Research and Development Organization's (DOCS), are employed to detect and neutralize explosive devices. DOCS can remotely handle hazardous materials, making it an invaluable asset in high-risk environments, thereby protecting soldiers from potential threats. Surveillance and reconnaissance are critical components of modern military operations. The Indian military utilizes advanced drones like the Rustam and Netra for real-time intelligence gathering. These drones provide extensive coverage and detailed imagery, enhancing situational awareness and enabling precise strategic planning in border security and tactical missions. Autonomous systems represent a leap forward in military robotics. The development of autonomous combat vehicles by the DRDO showcases India's progress in this domain. These vehicles can navigate and operate independently in complex combat scenarios, performing tasks ranging from surveillance to direct engagement without human intervention. Beyond the battlefield, robotics is transforming logistics and support functions within the military. Automated supply chain systems and robotic loaders streamline operations, ensuring efficient management and distribution of supplies. This reduces logistical bottlenecks and allows for the rapid deployment of resources where they are needed most. Robotic systems play a crucial role in medical and rescue operations, especially in hazardous environments. Robots like the Rescue Bot are designed to reach and extract wounded soldiers from areas that are too dangerous for human medics. These robots can provide immediate medical assistance, stabilizing patients until they can be safely evacuated to medical facilities. Training and simulation are vital for preparing soldiers for real-world scenarios. The Indian military uses advanced robotic systems to create realistic training environments. Robotic targets and simulators enable soldiers to practice and refine their skills in a controlled setting, improving their readiness and effectiveness in actual combat situations. The integration of robotics into the Indian military signifies a transformative shift in how operations are conducted. From enhancing combat efficiency and surveillance to improving logistics, medical response, and training, robotics is redefining military engineering. As technology continues to evolve, the Indian military is poised to leverage these advancements, ensuring a safer and more effective force for the future.